Buzz on Vermont's bees.
It could help us protect an array of species. Our Sophia Thomas joins us live in studio with the new research. Sophia?
Well, listen, John, for all we know about the bees that call Vermont home, there's still a whole lot we don't know. Vermont Center for Eco Studies bee biologist Spencer Hardy wants to uncover more. He joins us now. Spencer, you're working on a study right now trying to track down just how many bees actually live here in Vermont. And I want you to tell me why right now. Why is this kind of study so important?
Yeah, so we're trying to figure out what the bees are here. And this study came about from hearing about the decline of insects in the late 90s, early 2000s. We didn't really know what was going on. Now we have a bit of a better sense. And it's important because we need bees for a lot of the food crops that we eat and a lot of the agriculture that happens in Vermont. Honeybees, which are this one domesticated species that we're all familiar with, are great at pollinating a lot of things, but in a lot of cases it's the native solitary bees or the bumblebees that are actually doing a better job, especially in crops like blueberries, where the bumblebees are have been shown to add significant economic value to the blueberry farms.
So it really takes that understanding of who's out there, what exists, before you can then protect them.
Right.
Right. And how many, go ahead.
There's 350 species in Vermont that we now know of.
That blows my mind.
Pretty crazy.
I can't believe that. I mean, this right here, this is just a portion of how many live in Vermont. That's wild.
And these are just bees, so they're not even talking about wasps and flies and all the other things that are pollinating a lot of our crops.
Yeah, that's incredible. Now, I understand that viewers can actually help you to continue to track these species down. Somebody who's watching who wants to get involved, how can they help?
Yeah, so there's this community science platform called iNaturalist. You take a picture of an insect in your backyard, you upload it to the platform. Someone like me can come along and identify it, and then that data is then available for us to monitor species distributions going forward.
I love that because I think a lot of people hear these stories about wanting to protect pollinators, but maybe they feel like they don't really know how to help aside from planting some native plants in their yard. So this is just one other thing they can do to help advance that. Thanks so much for being here. I appreciate it. Keep an eye out for those in your garden and snap a picture if you see them. Thanks for joining us live in studio. Sophia Thomas, Channel 3 This Morning.